What is CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it executes instructions from programs, processes data, and controls other hardware components. The CPU has three main parts. First, control unit or CU manages and coordinates the activities of the computer by fetching, decoding, and executing instruction. Second, arithmetic logic unit or ALU performs mathematical operations, additions, subtraction, and etc. and logical operations and or not etc.